Toyota MMT. What the problem? I did repair for clutch actuator once. After months he came back. I did it again. Okay. After weeks he called me, say something wrong. Okay. Let's check. Now I will check the clutch actuator. No codes. I'm going to data list. I want to know, I want to see how much electricity the clutch actuator taking. I'm going to the clutch graph mode. I have clutch motor current, and I will play with selector. Reverse E, reverse E. In this mode it pushing clutch always. As let's see. Oh, you see, minus 19, but they're 2.5. It's a big difference. 6 and oh, you see, minus 20. Oh, it's for when it's pulling the clutch. It's very big difference. So what I think that there's something wrong not with clutch actuator, something wrong with the clutch, even not the clutch, with the bushing, where is the bearing moving. All clutch disc has small thickness and it's very hard to press the clutch. Okay, but what I want to do, I want to check it, I want to feel it by myself. What I will do, I will remove the clutch actuator, I will remove the motor, and by screwdriver I will spin it inside, outside, to feel that it's really hard to press the clutch and it's really problem inside the clutch. I never did it. Someone did it? No. Let's see, let's show. Opa. Okay, let's remove the motor and we will see if it's still okay or not okay, because when the something wrong with the clutch or bushing where is the bearing moving, no matter you can install fully original brand new clutch actuator, but if it has problem there, this will broken again. Got it? Because when the problem inside the gearbox, where is the bearing moving and it stop, it's stuck, in this moment the clutch actuator working hard and it's warning out. So now we will see if it's still high or if it's still alive, if it's still okay. Maybe need to do it again. see the motor working hard. The copper start not be like copper in yellow color. It say that it always working on maximum load, and it's mean that problem inside the gearbox, inside the clutch. Let's check the actuator. So it's moving okay, hard but smooth. Yeah, I'm sure the problem there. And now I will install with no motor and will turn by screwdriver to feel the difference. Так. Yes, I feel like it stuck. It this is the sound. Look, this is the sound. The sound like the bearing is little stuck, and I feeling like it moving not smooth, it moving like step. The car is fixed, repaired. Now I will show you what was the problem. Then I will take the screwdriver and will spin the actuator like before to compare what the difference. And then I will connect the computer to check by diagram how the clutch actuator is working. So this is the problem number one. It's the bushing where is the bearing moving. You see, it has this, not his gearbox, but it has the same. My mechanic Misha said that he grinding about 20 minutes that it will fully straight. Yeah, this is reason number one. So the second reason is the clutch. What's wrong with clutch? No wrong, it's just worn out. Look at this, the thickness of the disc. I'm always pressing this caliper. Press, oh, you see, it's about 6 millimeters. Just I think about few thousand kilometers and it will start slipping, because it works. The new disc has 8 millimeters. So the clutch disc working between 8 to 6 millimeters. And when the disc start thickness go low, go to small, the clutch plate harder and harder to press it. When the disc is fat, press to clutch plate much more easy. Like in manual gearbox, when you changing the clutch, you feel like the pedal is like margarina. You don't feel it, and you drive, and then the pedal start to be harder. Also this the same, and clutch actuator working from start, it working easy, then it start harder, and it broken. So what we did, we changed the clutch disc, we put the used clutch plate. See, look, this clutch plate did one disc, so it can work with another one. I'm sure. Yes, it's true. So we installed the used clutch plate, restarted, and brand new disc from Value, and grinding with paper the bushing where is the bearing moving. And now I'm going to spin by screwdriver and by computer. So I cannot say that it start more smooth. No, it's like I feel, yes, but I feel that is no like step click click. It's gone. Yeah, because it's all okay now. Now let's check on the computer how it will on the diagram. So now real-time test. You see, -7.5. It say how much too easy pulling the clutch, very easy. And in this the clutch actuator will working very good. So change the clutch and grinding the bushing where is the bearing moving will have good result.